Take a look at this new luxury car video niche. These transformations are seriously satisfying to watch. The cars look insanely premium, and the transformation makes it almost impossible to scroll past. This Instagram page already has over 14,300 followers just from posting videos like these. And the best part, this is still a relatively new content niche. So I wanted to test it myself, and this is what I created with AI in just 3 minutes. Pretty impressive, right? Let me show you exactly how to make one. First, I've prepared a master prompt for this entire workflow. You'll find it linked in the description. Copy the entire prompt, then open ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Hit send, and within seconds, ChatGPT gives you 10 luxury car concepts to choose from. And if you want something different, just type more and generate another batch. This makes it incredibly easy to find fresh car concepts instead of repeating the same ideas. For this video, I'm going with number 11. Just type the number and hit send. ChatGPT instantly generates a detailed video prompt for that concept. Now copy the entire video prompt and open Google Flow AI. Select video, choose ingredients, and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. For the model, I'm using OmniFlash, and I'm setting the duration to 10 seconds. Now paste the complete prompt, hit generate, and let Google Flow do the rest. And just a few seconds later, your luxury car transformation is ready. Look at how clean that transformation is. The car looks incredibly premium, and you don't have to stop with one car. Change the car, change the materials, change the colors, change the environment, and you have a completely new video. Once you have the master prompt, you can keep creating new concepts without starting from zero every time. If you want more viral AI niches, free prompts, and the best AI tools, subscribe to R2 AI. All prompts are available for free in my Telegram. I'll see you in the next video.